person to my right is director. His character is really interesting. It's very cartoon. And Rain or Jung Ji-hyun is his character is a very naughty guy, and he's also mischievous. So, and the man on my left, Lee Jung-ji, is a very wild and tough guy, but he also knows how to love. So my favorite partner, or actually he's really my partner in this TV drama, is Lee Jung-ji.
Alright. For the next one, we have Azrael.
Question for Ms. Yang. Welcome to the Philippines. Hi, hello. My question is, what's the most challenging part on being an actress? Thank you.
여배우로서 가장 도전점을 가지고 해야 하는 일이 뭐라고 생각하시는지요? 네, 이거는 뭐 여배우로서의 도전은 아닌 것 같고요. 그냥 연기하는 배우로서의 도전은 어떤 작품을 만나건, 그리고 어떤 시나리오를 읽고 어떤 감독님을 만나건 그 캐릭터를 좀 만들어가서 관객들에게 좀 느낌을 전달할 수 있는 거라면 어떤 도전이건 생각해야 되지 않을까 이렇게 생각합니다.
I don't particularly challenge as an actress. I always challenge as an actor, which is not only a female. And every time when I meet a new director and when I read a new scenario, I concentrate on the theme, on the character in every show and every drama.
Thank you.
Alright, for the next one, we have someone from Chuvanes.
Hi, good evening. I'm Grace from the Philippine Star. I have a question for Daniel. Hi, Daniel.
Yeah.
Being an American of Korean and British descent, what traditions from America, Korea, and Great Britain do you embrace?
That's a very difficult question. Well, actually, I'm not British. My father's Irish.
Oh.
So, the Irish descent, maybe the love for beer, whiskey. I don't know. I like that. From Korean side, maybe respect for my elders. It's very important in Korean society, respecting who you work with, and it's incorporated into the language. So, if you speak Korean at all, you can understand you have to speak a certain way to older people and support your things. What else? From the American perspective, I don't know, maybe just a free spirit would be going and something more American about being like that.
Great. Thanks, Daniel. Hope you enjoy the Philippines.
Alright, for the next one, we have someone from Cloud PH. Hello, good evening. I'm Agent B from Cloud Philippines, and this question is for Rain. Could you please tell us something about your character in the drama?
네, 정지윤 씨 극중 인물에 대해서 소개를 해주시죠.
네. 선정으로 나오고요. 중에서 캐릭터는 사람종이지만 사건을 해결하기 위해서 최선을 다하는 그런 환경이 있고요.
My role in this drama is detective. Although I'm his playboy, he's able to solve different problems.
Alright, for the next one, we have Yang from Click the City.
My question is for Christina Yong. This TV series has taken you all over Asia. What discoveries have you made about the places you have visited during the visiting? 네, 이번 작품을 찍으시면서 아시아 경력을 좀 가지고 계신데요. 다니시면서 뭐 새로운 발견을 하시거나 뭐 새로운 경험을 하신 게 있는지.
네, 이번 들어가시면서 굉장히 많은